Hi, so in this course we're going to see how to diagnose a laptop motherboard, okay, in order to find its failure easily, okay. So we're going to see the steps or the process that every technician or professional or student should follow in order to troubleshoot and locate the problem of the motherboard. Okay, so first we're going to see the motherboard visually. So the first step is to check the whole motherboard. Okay, so you see, check visually the motherboard, okay, and see if you have something that is not normal in the motherboard. So check, for example, if the RAM is installed correctly. Should check the processor, okay. You can even remove the processor and check its pins. Also check the graphic card and all these components, okay. The coils, is it okay or not to have here MOSFETs? No burned out MOSFET, okay. So check also the other side. As you can see, so this is the Realtek for the audio. This is the Super I/O. Here I have the BIOS, as you can see. The CMOS battery, okay. Oscillator, okay. Another circuit, okay. So this is the processor circuit, it's okay. Here I have the ICH. It seems okay. Okay. Then you should go and check the connectors, okay. All connectors. RJ45 connector, VGA connector, USB connector, okay. Also you should check the audio connectors, okay. Also you should check this is the ODD optical disk drive connector, and here we have the HDD connector, this SATA or SATA connector, okay. The battery connector. So the first step is to check the whole motherboard visually, okay.